Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a timeless reading. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, let's see, Scorpio, what's coming to you in the next 7 days? For Scorpio. Okay, so we have, wow, the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. Wow, and then you have the bottom of the deck, which is Judgment. This is also your energy. So I'm seeing a transformation, like a change, merong rebirth, no? Pagbabago. Maari ring meron kang mga realizations about your life, about the things na kailangan mong baguhin, improve sa sarili mo. Maaring this is like parang reinvention of yourself, no? Like a new version of yourself. Version 2.0, 3.0 is like a major upgrade para sa inyo. Okay? So, let's see what else. You have the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is being busy. Magiging busy ka in the next 7 days. Maaring mas magpo-focus ka rin sa iyong finances, sa career mo, sa growth mo, no? Career growth. And then you also have the Nine of Wands, which is about strength, resilience, no? So, kung ano man yung nire-require, kung ano man yung nire-require ng trabaho mo, career path mo, or ng pangarap mo, ito ay talagang pagtatrabahuhan mo. Tignan mo, you have the King of Pentacles, which is about achieving your goals and your dreams in your career, in your business, in your sources of income, ano man yung pinagkakakitaan mo. And marami ka ng mga naging life's lesson sa mga experiences mo in your career. So, it's time for you to improve and grow more. So, parang nagle-level up ka. Yes. Okay. So, let's read all the cards here. So, you have the Queen of Wands. Itong Queen of Wands is your stability in your finances. Sinisecure mo ang iyong resources. You don't have to worry kasi lahat ng needs mo ay makukuha mo. You will be able to provide for your family, and then kung meron kang kailangang pagkagastusan sa family mo na talagang kailangan nila, no? Lalo na ngayon magpapasok ka na, so you will be able to provide for them. Some of you are working moms, no? Or nagtatrabaho kayo kahit na kayo ay also nag-aayos rin sa family. Kumbaga kayo rin yung homemaker. Ayan. And then you have the Ace of Cups. So, some of you merong new source of happiness. Hindi naman para sa lahat, but yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng anak, baby sa family, pwedeng anak mo to or anak ng anak mo, magkakaroon ka na ng apo. So, there's so much excitement, joy, and happiness coming in sa inyong life ngayon. This is also a new beginning for a career or exciting new beginnings na kung saan gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, gusto mo yung project na ginagawa mo. Maari ring merong, parang, it's like a gift, no? Pwedeng meron kayong good news na marireceive. Lalo na kung ito yung may kinalaman sa pagtatrabaho abroad or travel opportunities, kung nag-aayos ka ng papers mo, ng visa mo, ng passport mo. So, merong good news na parating for you. You also have the Four of Pentacles. So, Four of Pentacles is about financial stability. So, I can definitely see here na you are improving financially. Maaring iba sa inyo, mas nakakapag-ipon na kayo, mas nagpo-focus kayo sa future ninyo. And I think you are also protecting your finances, no? Umiiwas ka na rin sa, let's say, pagpapautang, yung mga, or even mga gastos. Oo, iniiwasan mo yung mga hindi naman talaga kailangan. And then, yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, this is a major change in your life. Mas nagmamature ka na ngayon, mas marami ka ng realizations about yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin at hindi mo dapat gawin. And ini-improve mo na yan. Nire-release mo yung anything that is no longer serving you, especially in your handling your finances and even yung mga relationships na meron ka. You also have the Two of Pentacles. So, some of you merong mga multiple streams of income na talagang mine-maintain ninyo, lalo na kung ang goal nyo talaga ay magkaroon ng financial stability, financial security. And nakakapagod siya, no? Pero kahit na pagod kayo, is lumalaban pa rin, no? You have that grit. Meron kang, kumbaga you are grinding, you are focused on the results, no? Yung resulta ng iyong magiging trabaho, yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan mo. And definitely, ito ay magbubunga. Okay? Magbubunga to ng magagandang resulta para sa'yo. Kumbaga, magiging worth it ang iyong trabaho, ang iyong pinaghirapan. Okay, let's see what else. For Scorpio, next 7 days. Uy, breath. A breath of fresh air. Ito yung new beginnings for you. Ito rin yung parang idea. Can be a creative ideas. May mga bago kang susubukan na mga, can be anything, no? Pwedeng may bago kang susubukang trabaho, business, or pwedeng may bago kang susubukang ang tawag nito, yung libangan mo, hobby. Ayan. You also have Ladybug. Uy, this is about success. Good luck. Oh my God. Scorpio, there is definitely good luck in your life right now. Kasi ang Ladybug, it symbolizes fortune, good luck. So talagang, worth it naman yung mga sacrifices nyo, worth it yung pagod ninyo, worth it yung mga efforts ninyo. Dahil, pag sinamahan na ng swerte rin yan, na talagang dodoble-doble na yung blessings na marireceive ninyo. You also have Thunderbolt. So, definitely, Scorpio, meron kang mga creative ideas na nasa isip mo pa lang sa ngayon na kailangan mo na siyang i-execute. Kailangan mo nang gawin para makita mo na rin yung resulta. So, kung ano man yung mga plans mo, go for it. Gawin mo na. Kasi you'll never know na baka dito ka talaga mas maging successful and maging super life-changing yan for you. And sayang naman yung opportunity kung hindi mo yan bibigyan ng chance. Okay, so for your money, career, finances, ng mga Scorpio, you have the Five of Cups. Meron ditong losses, regrets. Some of you, meron na kayong kailangang i-let go. I-let go sa career, sa business, or ito yung mindset na meron ka na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong para sa'yo. Especially in handling your finances. Oh my God, Eight of Cups. Yeah, leaving a situation. So, kung nandun ka sa point na meron kang career, business na hindi na talaga helpful sa'yo, hindi ka na masaya, hindi na fulfilling, then it's time to make that change. That's why itong next 7 days is going to be life-changing for you. May mga transformation na magaganap. Okay? So, I think that is focused more on your career, finances. Sa love life, may bagong inspiration. You have the Ace of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa relationship, you are giving your partner a chance para mapatunayan niya yung sarili niya. Pwede rin vice versa, na binigyan ka ng chance ng partner mo na mapatunayan mo yung sarili mo sa relationship ninyo. And I think na magiging matagumpay naman kayo rito. Kasi kung meron kayong open communication, naniniwala kayo sa kakayanan ng bawat isa na mapaunlad yung relasyon ninyo, then this is going to be a successful reconciliation or successful na agreement para sa inyo. Kasi gano'n naman eh, hindi naman kailangan talaga na give up ka na agad-agad. Oo. Author, initiations. Oh my God. So, ito na yon. Initiations, it's time to take action. Be open through this transitional time. Ayan, no? Maging open ka raw sa transitional time. So definitely, Scorpio, there are changes happening in the next 7 days. Maging bukas ka sa mga pagbabago na yan. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.